Time to wake up for your new mission, newbie. You are on the attacking side this time, and your mission is to discover the target location and eliminate the enemy threat. Control the UAV to find the target location. Tap the button to deploy the UAV. When the UAV is deployed, your view will be switched to the UAV's camera. According to our intel, the target location might be at the location indicated by the question mark. Scout the location with the UAV. Use the joystick to move the UAV through the passageway to enter the room and find the fuel barrels. The fuel barrels have been detected. We're locked. Tap the button to switch back to the character perspective and prepare to occupy the target location. Blast through the destructible. Use the explosives to blast through the wall. You must eliminate the enemies at the target location before you can occupy it. You must eliminate the enemies. Wait for the target's progress bar to finish filling up to occupy the location. Mission completed. The target has been protected successfully.